Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to add PayPal to Wix account. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your site dashboard and scroll down to the left hand side and click on settings, and now click on accept payments, and make sure to select your correct business location from this drop down. And now here you'll find PayPal, and once you get it, click on connect, and here you can see the instruction to connect the PayPal. So scroll down, and if you don't have any PayPal account, you can click on this create PayPal account to create your new PayPal account. Or if you have an account already, then you have to enter your PayPal account email address. After putting your PayPal account email address, click on connect, and here we can see the clear instruction: enter your PayPal account email in the form below, click connect, you will be redirected to PayPal. Follow the instruction and click on login. Your PayPal account will be connected to your Wix account. So this is how we can connect PayPal to Wix account. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.